Health Minute 2023 is coming to a close. There's always those ambitions of becoming the healthiest you can in the new year. There is a new partnership with St. Mary's and Parkway Athletic Club, so we wanted to invite Steve and Michael here with Parkway Athletic Club to talk a little bit about you guys kind of reopening this gym.
Yes.
And talk to me, Steve, a little bit about this partnership, why you guys said that's the perfect location for us.
Well, we love the location, and it's so convenient for so many people. We love the partnership that we've created with St. Mary's, and we're getting everything ramped up. Most of the classes and everything are going. We're very close to getting the pool reopened, so we're hoping to have everything going full bore the beginning of the year.
So new year, new amenities, a new you maybe. Michael, talk to me a little bit about how important fitness is in someone's overall health.
Yeah, I mean, fitness impacts everything we do. If we're looking to improve overall quality of life, how we move, the energy we have, fitness is that foundation. Whether it starts small in the park or more into the gym setting, really helps expand our overall health and how we feel.
So how often should someone be working out? I think there's kind of a variety of answers there.
Yeah, that's a very broad question, and there's so many variables that would go into the answer. If you're not doing anything, start with one day. Depending on how advanced you are, your age, your level of fitness, what your goals are, those would all have to do with how many days a week or how much you would exercise.
And really what fits into your life too. It's not always easy to be hitting the gym every single day, but something's better than nothing. And you guys have a lot of classes to help out with that.
Yes, wide variety of classes, and we have more classes coming, whether it's cardiovascular or more spin, and dance classes into more strength-based. You also can get involved and get a free hour with a trainer to help jumpstart that process if you don't know where to start, and kind of build some comfort with that.
So where should someone start? You just mentioned meeting with one of your employees, talking with them. That can be a little intimidating sometimes. So what's your advice on approaching someone getting to the gym?
Yeah, it's what you're going to get in a health club is a lot of positive reinforcement. So I want to encourage people not to be intimidated. Find a health club because you're going to get support. Don't be afraid to stay away, or don't stay away because of that. Because when you get in there, you're going to get the support from the personal trainers. People are going to show you what to do, and you'll catch on quick. But also, you're going to get such positive reinforcement from a health club that it's going to really help you and encourage you to reach your goals.
Yeah, my experience is more mental than anything.
Yeah.
Once you actually get that foot in the door, then you're really ready to hit the ground running.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about some of the recommendations you would give to someone who's just starting out. You said go slow, but are there specific workouts you would recommend for someone?
Yeah, I think it's just having a general holistic approach, right? There's different aspects to health as far as cardiovascular, strength, mobility, and balance, which we talk about. I think doing a little bit of each is kind of the foundation. Start with simple walking, build up the cardiovascular health, and then slowly build into some strength routine. Benefits come from the entire body. I think a holistic approach is the easiest way to get started, so you're not overwhelming yourself either.
Yeah, and you start now. By the end of 2024, a whole new you. So one of the great things about your partnership with St. Mary's, if they get the membership there, you could also access your club in South Reno as well.
Yes.
So really no obstacles there to getting that new health routine going. Michael, Steve, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
We'll be right back.